And you knew in your heart as you're sitting there that you were just getting railroaded. You were getting screwed.
I knew it. I mean, because even the judge, everybody looked at like they didn't have anything to any attention where it comes to my attorneys. The jury was even looking on the floor when my lawyers got up to talk. They were looking on the floor at the ceiling. They just looked like, yeah, we gonna throw you away. We don't care what he say. And then every time the district attorney spoke to say something, he called me a liar. He called me a monster. He made me out to be the worst person. He told him that I haven't told the truth yet, and my baby suffered this type of. I let him. I just sat there and watched him die. That kind of stuff to them. And that was hurtful for me to hear because this was my son and I loved him with all my heart and I did not kill my child. And that to not be able to say anything about it was what pissed me off the most because I went to them for help and they called me a murderer. Even though I went jogging, that still did not mean that I should die and that I killed my son. I didn't know how to do CPR, but that wasn't murder. And so I sit there and I knew that this was a racist situation that I was sitting in and that I didn't have a prayer in hell because I was poor, Black, and uneducated. And they took advantage of that. That's exactly it in a nutshell. Is what happened.
And what did the jury look like? Were they all white?
Yes, majority white. I think I had one Black alternate and then I had one Black sitting on the jury. So I knew that my life was over just by looking at that. That's why in all the pictures you see me on, the newspaper clippings, I didn't have no smile on my face. I looked mad because I was frustrated and overwhelmed at what was going on. And I knew nobody believed.